Hello, my name is Echo, just in case you're new here. Welcome to another mess of a video starring me, a mess of a human being. Brought to you by my nearly naked face. I didn't really bother putting on makeup or making my hair look nice because I'm gonna ruin them here in like 2 seconds anyway. I don't know if any of you remember, but a long time ago there was this trend happening on YouTube where YouTubers would try tutorials from other YouTubers, and I made one about a Harlequin video from Made You Look, who is a freaking angel, by the way. Please go subscribe to her. She actually went out of her way and sent me some real body paints in my colors, by the way, and I think it's about time that I just play with them on camera because I really fucking want to. I'm gonna start by unleashing my forehead on the internet. So right now I'm using the cap of one of my concealers as a brush. I'd probably clean them up so they're not so scrappy looking, but that's kind of the idea. This is something that I have debated including in my general makeup look since I saw the music video for Opening Band by I don't know how, but they found us. I think that's what it is. And in it, the lead singer has this going on. It just looked so cool. I just like how different it looks. I like it because it gives very like soft clown vibes, but sometimes you just gotta go 100% clown, you know? So we're gonna start with white. Ooh. This face paint is actually really nice. Like it just feels like I'm adding an extra layer to my skin, which is how face paint should feel. I'm sure that someday I'll learn how to apply this evenly, but this is just the trial run, you know? Just trying some new looks. I'm hoping that the white balance is throwing this off and you can't tell how uneven it is. Look ridiculous. So I've also got black eyeshadow, which I want to use to set this, but also to make my eyes not look so vacant. I'm ready to become a panda. We're gonna go like full Harlequin. I don't understand why people find clowns scary. Throw some angles and some creepy violin music over anything and that can become scary. There we go. Very intense cat eye. It's fine. I want to add like one more, like more lines like that. I'm gonna call this a start. Have I mentioned that I unironically am excited about the Cats movie? I really didn't care about Cats at all. I've never even seen it. Not the play, not any of the old movies, but the new one looks so bizarre, and the CGI is so uncanny valley that I'm unironically excited for it. I like movies like Mirror Mask, so I'm very excited. Can we just let movies be weird, please? I kind of look like if Ronald McDonald had a daughter who was like really into Kiss. New OC. That makes me want to make a comic about the children of like fast food icons. I like how unintentionally creepy my smile is now. Like my actual smile is now terrifying. I've got one more thing that I'm gonna add that might make this a little more creepy and I'm very excited. Yes. If I could just always look like this, I would be so happy. So like, I don't know if you've ever seen my little character of myself that I draw all the time, but I draw myself with no pupils. And a friend of mine, Pat from Life Noggin, suggested that I get white contacts so that I can just look like my character, and that is such a good idea. But I want them prescription so that I can just walk around like this all the time, because right now I am blind. There's like a fog over the entire room on top of the fact that everything is out of focus. I am my spirit animal. Beautiful. This is how I want to look at all the days, all the time, forever. I wonder if these double as like sunglasses. Like it's blocking out a fair bit of light, blocking out the haters. Temporary glasses activate when you're a fan of ICP but you work at a library. Nice. Okay. I got this. I got this. I mean, really, this is the look that reflects my inner self the most. So the last fun time look I want to do is to just embrace my color scheme, as if I'm not embracing it already. I want to become red and black. Like, what is with this peach skin tone nonsense? That is not my brand. So I'm just gonna dive headfirst into my brand. Oh yeah, that is a good look. Are you ready? Okay, so I'm gonna try going in with a smaller brush to see if I can get this more even. Oh yeah, that's nice. Right in the scalp area. Yes. Did you know that red dye number 5 is actually made of bugs? My life is going well. This is not the job I thought I would have when I grow up. Is 20s grown up? Is this grown up? I'm gonna be a diamond someday. Oh yes. Hey girl, what's your team? What team? If you can't be out here living your truth, what is the point? I am so exhausted. So yesterday both of my camera batteries died. Fun. If I really want to lean into my brand, I need to become red and black stripes. So I'm just gonna throw myself into that real quick. First things first, gotta get this hair out of the way. And I'm gonna start with a complete undercoat of red. I also put on the same shirt that I was wearing yesterday for continuity reasons. I promise you this looks so much better in real life. Cool. Next thing I'm gonna do is actually fill in my eyebrows with black eyeshadow because everything looks better with eyebrows. So because the red is still pretty shiny, I'm gonna try and set it with this Bloody Mary Halloween makeup. See, so much better. Yeah, that's about as red as my soul. I'm starting with the stripes very thin because I figure that I can make them larger if I want to. I feel like I'm gonna look like a red and black pumpkin, which is really just the look I am going for. At that point, I'm gonna have the line go out to where I pretend my cheekbones are. Just realized I kind of look like the Spider-Man logo, and I am 100% on board. So Crystal's kind of accidentally got me hooked on BuzzFeed Unsolved, both supernatural and true crime. Definitely a Shaniac. I think it's the first ghost hunter-like show I've ever seen where one of the members just does not believe in anything that's happening. It's very nice. Girl, this is exactly what I want in life! I've never been so myself before. I look like a cross between Darth Maul and Spider-Man. I'm going for that sunken eye look. Let's try to contour a little bit with this black. Ooh, look at that highlight! Oh, that is cool. Ooh, you're gonna be able to see me from the moon? Yes, this is all I really wanted in life. I mean, really, this is the true me. Okay, I think I'm just gonna end the video here so that I can go wash my face before everyone gets back to the house. Thank you so much for joining me on this bizarre adventure. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Thank you, Made You Look, for giving me this glorious opportunity. I am going to give you 700 awesome points for making it all the way to the end of this video. I hope that you have a beautiful day, and I will see you later. Goodbye. I am become my true self. Why can't this just be socially acceptable?